Yes, arithmetic operator. Arithmetic operators are used to perform arithmetic operations like addition, multiplication, division, subtractions, modulus. So such type of operations are performed with help of arithmetic operator, and you know very well. So plus sign is used for the addition of two numbers. So that addition we will use like this, a plus b. So a plus b will be perform the addition operation. So a and b are operands and plus sign is their operator. Next, minus. This is used for the subtraction. It will perform subtraction operation. Perform subtraction of two numbers. We will use as a minus b. Slash, this is actually division. So perform division of two number a slash b. We will write like this, a slash b. So it will perform the division of two number. Asterisk, this is the multiplication sign. Asterisk will be used as for the multiplication purpose. So perform multiplications of two number a into b. Percentage, this is not percentage, this is actually modulus sign. What is this? Is modulus. Return the remainder means a modulus b. We will, how we will read it? This will read a modulus b, means the value of a will be divided with b, but the answers will be what? Remainder. Remainder will be the answer. The quotient is the answer. Next, double slash. It will use as a floor division. So that will remove the digits after the decimal points. So this is the floor division, means if in divisions answer comes into the decimal, so it will remove it. Only integers answers you will get it. Double asterisk, so that is for the exponent. A double asterisk b, exponent. It will read a exponent b. So it will execute the exponent like a square. So what is the meaning of a square? Means a into a. It will use 2 raised to the power 3. So what happened? It is 2 into 2 means 2 2s are 4 and 4 2s are 8. Answer will be 8. So how you will write into the Python? You have to write 2 double asterisk sign then 3. So that meaning is 2 exponent 3. Clear about it? So this is the exponent. So we have these operator plus, minus, slash, asterisk, modulus, floor division, exponent. So how we can use these? All are the examples of arithmetic operator. So you note down the definitions of arithmetic operator and that table. Now the next is the relational operator. What is relational operator? So the relational operator are used to compare the value. So it will compare the values like this. Double equal to, we will read out this symbols. Equal to return true if a equal b. If we will write a equal to b, so if the value of a is equal of value of b, so that will return the true. What? The answer will be returned true. So the all the relational operator used for the comparison purpose, and its answer will be come in boolean. What is the boolean? Boolean means either you will get true, either you will get false. So that answer you will get with help of relational operator. So it is used to compare two operands or two values. So it is compare the two values. So with this, if we implement the equal to, so it will compare ki A is equivalent of B or not. So that answer will be either come true or false. Like if we have the value of A is 12 and value of B we have 30. So what happened? 12 is equivalent 30. So you will get the answer is false. If the value of A is 5 and value of B is 5 and we will use A equivalent B. So what happened? The answer will be true. So that is totally depend on the A or B value. So these operator we can use for comparison purpose. So this is use not equivalent. What is this? This symbol is not equal, means return true if A is not equal to B. So if A is not equal to B, so then it will return true, otherwise it will return false. Greater than, this symbol is used for the greater than. Greater than means return true if A is greater than B. We will write like this, A greater B. Greater equal, so return true if A greater than B or A equal to. So when it will return true, either A is greater than B or A is equivalent B. So then it will return true, otherwise it will return the false. Next, less than, return true if A is less than B. Clear? Next, less than equal, return true if A is less than B or A is equals to B. A is less than equal B. So, if the value of A is less than B, so then it will return, or if A is equivalent B, so then also it will return true, otherwise it will return false. So these all are the relational operator. How many relational operator we have? 6. Equal to, not equal to, greater than, greater equal, less than equal. Total 6 relational operator we have. Next is assignment operator. So what is the purpose? The purpose of assignment operator is used to assign values to the variables. So if you assign a value into the variable, so you have to use the assignment operator. The first is the assign value. So if we will write A equal 5, so what happened? The value 5 will be stored into the variable A. So we can use like this, A equal B, means B value will be assigned into the variable A. Next, this is the short form plus A, means the meaning of addition of two numbers and assign the result to the left operand, means A plus equal B. So what happened? The meaning of A plus equal B means A equal A plus B, means there is variable A will be updated. Clear? Next, slash equal means divides. So divides two numbers and assign the result to the left operand. This is your left operand. So updated value will be assigned into that operand. Asterisk equal means multiply two numbers and assign the result to the left operand. We will write like this. Sorry. Next, minus means subtract equal. So it will same meaning, subtract two numbers and assign the result to the left operand. Modulus equal, modulus two numbers and assign the result to the left operand. We will write like this. Double slash equal, so floor division on two numbers and assign the result to left operand. and exponent means it will find the exponents and assign into the left operand. So these all are the assignments operator.